I close the Format Shape panel. I go to Animations, and you see here to the right the animation pane where all animations will appear. I select the first bubble. Now I will give it the shape animation, and from the options I choose Out. Then let's make the duration 0.25, the start with previous. Then I select the same object, the same bubble. To add to it another animation, I go to Add Animation, then Shape. Make the duration also 0.25, the start with previous, and 0.25 delay, so that this animation will start right at the end of the previous animation. In order to make this last animation more interesting, I will add to it a sound. So I go here to Effect Options, then Sound, and here I'll download a new sound that you can also find it if you downloaded the resources file. Good. We've made the animations of the first bubble. Let's go further to the second one. Now we can make the first animation of this bubble like we did before by setting shape, the duration 0.25, the start with previous, etc., etc. Then adding to it the second animation with its options, but this is too much work. So let's use a shortcut. Let's select the first bubble and copy its animations and their effects with this little very useful button called Animation Painter. I click on it, then click on the second bubble, and that's it. All the animations have been copied to the second bubble. The only thing to be done is to make the delay bigger so the two bubbles start popping one after the other and not at the same time. Then let's copy the animations of the second bubble with Animation Painter to the third bubble. Pretty simple, huh? With just one click we've copied exactly a bunch of animations of the other bubble. The only thing to be done is to delay a little the animations. Let's see again how all looks. Good. Now at the last animation I'll change the sound to something different so that not all the bubbles pop with the same sound. It's better to vary a little the sounds. I go to Effect Options, then Sound, and Other Sound. I then download another sound I have on my computer, and you'll find the same sound if you've downloaded the resources file. I'll then make this bubble smaller, and I'll even copy it by pressing the Ctrl key and dragging the object. And here we have the new bubble. Here you see all its animations copied. Let me delay them a bit